Okay, the axle is welded in again back there, and this goes freely now. It's just a matter of putting cotter pins in, and I got to get some nuts that got the holes for cotter pins,
Okay.
and these are done.
So is this done on both sides, or?
I just finished the other one.
Okay.
This one here is done, but I need a hand to put it on. You can see where I welded the axle.
Yeah. Was it much trouble, or?
Oh, I've been at it all day and
Yeah.
got a few things done.
Okay. Well, happy Father's Day.
Yeah.
The dogs are all happy. Peter's back.
Yeah.
So Schooner spent the night at home, and now he's back playing.
The other dogs from next door raced over here hard.
Yeah, well, they were at the lake yesterday, so they missed everything.
They came back early.
Yeah.
But anyway, they're here. And I left my hammer on the floor last night and the toilet paper. My dog chewed the hammer and wrecked the toilet paper, but other than that, everything was good.
This was a black kneeling pad that Daisy Puckatawagan garbage dog ripped open as well. So I got here late in the day, so we missed all the welding action, but I'm glad that Dad was able to get this done, because I know it was giving him some pause.
Bushings have extra holes in them now, so the grease can get in.
Okay.
I can't go any further on this now until
We get parts.
I get the pan in. And
Okay. So, yeah, we're taking a couple days off here. Dad's going to wait for some parts and wait for other things to happen around here. So, Dad wants to just take a couple of days to relax. So, when you guys see this, he will already be back. So, this is coming along quite nicely. Talked to the customer. He's happy. I'm really happy that he was able to get this done, but I wasn't able to get out to the shop early enough to see it all come together. But it's nice to see what things look like when the tracks are off.
these holes over here, like they're all wore out.
Yeah.
Well, that axle's wore out, but I straightened this as good as I could. Then I drill nuts so the bolt goes through, and then weld them on so this got chain has lots to pull on.
So, guys, these parts,
That's it.
if you can't fix them, you better send them to Dad or buy them off the guy down south.
You have to.
So,
These are all done except for cleaning up the edges with the buffer.
yeah.
Threads are done, everything. That's good.
Okay, any tip of the day for the boys?
No tips today.
Okay,
Father's Day, if you don't know what to do, go and do some work.
there you go. Look at these hammer-headed dogs, hey? Just love the shop.